Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. The Fat Penguin. Listen and repeat. There is a penguin. He has a dream. He wants to fly. But he is very fat. So, he only eats rice. Finally, he becomes very healthy. And he is very happy. Listen and answer. Is there a penguin?
Yes, there's a penguin.
What is there?
There is a penguin.
Does he have a dream?
Yes, he has a dream.
Who has a dream?
The penguin has a dream.
What does he have?
He has a dream.
Does he want to fly?
Yes, he wants to fly.
Who wants to fly?
The penguin wants to fly.
What does he want?
He wants to fly.
Is he very fat?
Yes, he is very fat.
Who is very fat?
The penguin is very fat.
Does he only eat rice?
Yes, he only eats rice.
Who only eats rice?
The penguin only eats rice.
What does he only eat?
He only eats rice.
Does he become very healthy?
Yes, he becomes very healthy.
Who becomes very healthy?
The penguin becomes very healthy.
What does he become?
He becomes very healthy.
Is he happy?
Yes, he is happy.
Who is happy?
The penguin is happy.
Point of view, 2 years ago. Listen and repeat. There was a penguin. He had a dream. He wanted to fly. But he was very fat. So, he only ate rice. Finally, he became very healthy. And he was very happy. Point of view, 2 years from now. Listen and repeat. There will be a penguin. He will have a dream. He will want to fly. But he will be very fat. So, he will only eat rice. Finally, he will become very healthy. And he is very happy. Vocabulary: penguin, dream, want, fly, fat, rice, become, Healthy. Question of the day. Do you want to fly? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 1 week. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.